Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something pretty cool. It's called Binance Launchpool. You may see people talking about farming new tokens for free. Well, Launchpool is exactly that. So stick around. We're gonna break it all down. So what it is, how it works, and how you can get it on it. So guys, before we get started, don't hesitate to join our community by subscribing, and don't forget to leave your comments below. And let's get started. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in any crypto project. So, your investments are your responsibility. Alright, so here is the thing. It's kind of tough to get access to new crypto tokens before they launch. Normally, you'd need to buy them, right? That means spending money, maybe buying at high prices or missing out entirely. That's a barrier for a lot of folks, plus there is a risk of scams or shadow launches. This matters because Launchpool lets you farm new tokens with your exciting holdings like BNB or stablecoins without paying for them. It opens the door to early crypto projects, lowers your entry cost, and adds flexibility. And it's all on Binance, a major reputable exchange. So, first, what is Binance Launchpool exactly? It's a platform where you stake supported cryptocurrencies like BNB or FDUSD into pools to earn newly launched tokens as rewards. You don't buy them, you earn them. That's the magic. Alright, the platform lives under the Launchpool tab on Binance. You'll see active and complete projects. Each has info like airdrop amount, supported tokens, timeline, etc. So what's the mission? The idea is super simple. Help users support new projects, earn tokens without direct buying, and do it safely and transparently, powered by Binance Security. So main features that I should mention: so stake ABNB, FDUSD, and supported assets, earn token based on your contribution proportionally, flexible claim earning anytime and in stake anytime. Okay, so here is how it looks. When you log in and click Launchpool, you get a list of projects. For each, you'll see multiple pools like BNB pool or FDUSD pool with details on total locked, estimated airdrop per hour or day, number of participants, etc. You click stake next to your pool, for example, FDUSD pool. So as you see, you can see here some details. Okay, let's walk through it step by step. Log in into Binance and go to more Launchpool. Pick a live project, choose which pool, BNB or FUSD, depending on your holdings. Click stake, enter the amount, and boom, confirm. You'll start earning tokens hourly or daily automatically. To claim, go to my airdrops and hit claim or wait until the end, and it auto sends within 90 minutes to your spot wallet. When you want to stop, just instake your original assets, come back to your spot wallet with no penalty. Alright guys, so wrap it up. Launchpool is a neat way to farm early tokens using assets you already hold, BNB or stable coins, without paying extra. It's flexible, user-friendly, and backed by Binance Security. But remember, don't expect profits guaranteed. Do your own research on every project. Check tokenomics, roadmap, utility. So it's required. Okay, just be smart, stay and safe. And if you found this helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and share with your crypto curious friends. Comment below, have you ever tried Launchpool and what tokens have you farmed? And don't forget to join our community and Telegram. So I will drop link in the description, of course. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.